I would like to file a motion to have charges all dismissed due to the Speedy Trial Act. And I don't think it's very fair that with having to go against people that have 8 years of schooling versus my hour and a half. Like, there's no way that will have 30 days to be able to study and defend myself from the time of this trial. You gave me bogus laws to look up and information, and you were biased.
I would suggest you apply for a lawyer instead of just...
All right, folks. Today we got one of the most clueless sovereign citizens I've ever seen. I honestly don't know how people like this are still around in 2025. The guy can barely read, yet he thinks he can walk into court and play lawyer. His excuse? He claims the trial isn't fair because he only had 1 hour to study law, while the prosecutor spent 7 years in law school. That's like showing up to a race with no training and then complaining that the athletes were better prepared. It's ridiculous, but also entertaining. Let's watch him get taken apart by the system.
The state of Michigan versus Benjamin Macario Martinez, 237407ST, 226707ST, and 162435FY. Concerning the matters then we were set over from last time, Mr. Downing, in regard to the underlying matters that are left open, has there been any progress?
Your Honor, an offer, I believe, was extended to Mr. Martinez by letter dated June 8th, while he's been incarcerated in the jail. We have not heard what his response is, so I will leave it to Mr. Martinez whether he wishes to enter a plea pursuant to that on the 2 files he has to that offer, or seek an adjournment.
All right, we're also here for sentencing on a number of contempt. So in regard to the 2 open charges, Mr. Martinez, and you're proceeding here today in general, are you choosing to proceed without a lawyer here today?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
So concerning the 2 files that remain open, 6707 and 7407, Ms. Cass apparently sent you another offer after we had court last time. Mr. Martinez, I have no idea what that offer is. The court is not part of any plea bargaining. You have both of these cases here. What is your position in respect to whatever they sent you?
I would like to file a motion to have charges all dismissed due to the Speedy Trial Act. And also, I didn't get, last time we were in court, I expressed to the court that I wasn't able to have reasonable time or inadequate law books. They're old. I only got an hour and a half. I only know some rules for an hour and a half of studying. So out of my freedom of speech and the rules of professional conduct, I'd like to.
This man struggles to read, but he still insists on standing in court and reading his own motions like he's some expert. Honestly, his reading level is maybe middle school at best. And the funniest part? He's whining that he didn't get enough time to learn the law. Like, seriously, does he expect the judge to put his trial on hold for years so he can go earn a law degree? The court has already given him options. Get a lawyer, accept a public defender, or defend yourself if you actually know what you're doing. Clearly, he doesn't. At this rate, he might as well ask for a delay until he's sworn in as Chief Justice.